Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's unboxing is Glossybox. Anyway, if you guys are new to my channel, I am Rachel. I do different unboxings and makeup reviews and lifestyle reviews and clothing boxes and I don't know, just random stuff. I am a working mom with 2 kids and I would really love it if you would follow along with me, subscribe to my channel. But anyway, if you want to get into, this is the October version 3 2018 Glossybox, then please stay tuned. So, I have a love-hate relationship with BoxyCharm. I have had some of my best boxes and some of my worst boxes, and recently I have been less than excited about my BoxyCharm. Sorry, I just did a video on BoxyCharm. Less than excited about my Glossybox. And for a while they were doing these really cute decorative boxes. They got this artist in who just did a fantastic job. If you look back, I'll try to reference one of my old videos. The artist, I referenced her in that video. Beautiful, beautiful job on those boxes. They're back to the regular boxes, which I do love. These are great for gift boxing. But, I don't know. We'll see. I had heard some rumors about this box. I already got into it and looked at it. Just stay tuned with me if you want to see. So, the first thing when I opened it up, there was this $100 wine voucher for nakedwines.com. If you read the fine print, you have to buy $160 worth of wine and then you can use this. Now, that is very intriguing. I love me some wine. I think they are definitely catering to my age range because, yeah, wine is kind of my thing. I don't drink it that often, but I love it when I can get my hands on it. Anyway, so this is interesting. I will have to go look at their website and see what wines they have and if this is worthwhile, but I thought that was kind of interesting. So this month is the theme of Glossy Retreat, and they are talking about Mora Pacific. They're doing like a coming up box. So I'm curious what's going to be coming up in that. Their limited edition boxes can be really nice. Sometimes I like them, sometimes I don't. Did not get the last one. I didn't care for it. And then basically they talk about how this box is about a spa type day to try to treat yourself. And then if you have never seen a glossy box, they have pictures with the price and what's in it. And I will tell you, based on this picture, I was pretty underwhelmed, which is a shame because I usually love this box. So they always have a little tie and then their bing. And this is what it looks like. So they used to say that they would do like usually 2 to 3 full-size products and then the rest would be deluxe products. And actually they kind of have stayed true to that, but they kind of keep moving the line of what they consider full-size. But I always kind of check that out. So first product here is this Pao Shao Passion for Life Hydrating Ritual Revitalizing Hair Mask. I have never heard of this brand. This is a featured size, so this is not considered a full size. This is considered a deluxe sample size. It's a decent size, but it is $14 for this 1.7 ounce mask, and it's supposed to be a different mixture of 5 different teas, and you're supposed to comb it in, and it's supposed to do that. I'm always up for a good mask, a hydrating mask. Let's open this and see. I kind of had not such good luck with their last hair product, so I'm curious. I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand to get... It doesn't really have much of a smell. It's just a cream product. It does have... It had a safety seal, and it does have one of these squeezy things. So I am curious. I don't know if this is good or not. I haven't had a chance to try this out. I showed in one of my other videos, I literally got a stack of all my boxes at once and I just haven't had time to really play with a lot of these products. But I will try this out. I am curious, has anyone ever heard of this brand? I feel like they get some really obscure brands, and sometimes when I look them up, I'm like, oh, that's a good brand. I don't know. I've never heard of this brand. I'll have to look up more on it. Alright, so next product here is this Nails Ink. I have heard of this brand. This is a really pretty color. It doesn't feel very fall to me, but it is a pretty color. Like, this is a color that I would wear a lot. It's called Victory Place. This is a full-size product. If I can open it. Oh my goodness, guys. I can't open this. Oh, there we go. My last nail polish that I got in here had leaked. This one didn't leak, luckily. Yeah, it's your... Ooh, smells like your typical nail polish. It is a pretty color. I'm just going to put a little bit on my nail here for you guys to get a look. It's like a baby pink with a little shimmer. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. So you got to pull... Oh, look at that. You got to pull up and then you can take it off that way. That's very interesting packaging. I don't know if I love that. Anyway, this is what it looks like on my nail. So it's just a real sheer, like light pink. It is pretty. I will use it. It doesn't feel very full, but it kind of goes with the theme. And I don't know much about this brand, but I'm pretty sure this is, if you care if it's like all the free of the different things, I don't think this is the case. I think this is just your typical standard nail polish. And they sell this for 15 bucks, which is a lot. So we'll see. It has pretty good coverage though. Like I'm pretty happy with that nail polish. All right, next product here is the Invisibob Scrunchie. We are now back into the 80s and early 90s. I feel like my childhood is calling me. I did not know scrunchies were back in. I wouldn't have gotten rid of all my ones way back. But this is the scrunchie. It is a pretty pink color. Oh, interesting. I didn't play with this. You can't see it, but it has one of the Invisibobs on the inside. With it, which is kind of nice because I was thinking, oh, it's just a scrunchie, but it doesn't have that regular elastic. It has like the coiled Invisibob. I wish I had one to show you guys. So theoretically, this should like regain its shape. Yeah, and it just says you can wash this in detergent and hang it up. But yeah, they even say it's bringing back the 80s with the Invisibob scrunchie. So that is interesting. Have you guys seen scrunchies come back? I mean, I think this is great if I'm getting ready. It shouldn't crease up my hair, but I don't know. This is considered one of the full-size products. I'm not sure if I feel like this should be counted as one of the full-size products. This thing's $8, so... Alright, so that's 2 of my full-size products. The next thing here is the Georgette Klinger Rose Clarifying Toner. This is supposed to be for all skin types. Full size is 6.7 ounces. This is 1.7. Full size is $26. So you're thinking this is roughly like maybe like $6, $7. It's not very much. I'm not going to open it because I have like 2 other toners that I have opened that I'm still using. I don't go through toners very often. I find them tend to be very drying on my skin. I hate to say this, older mature skin because I don't feel old and mature, but I do. I am in my 30s, my mid-30s, mid to late 30s. And so yeah, my skin's a little bit drier. It always has been, and it is maturing. And so I don't find that toners are that helpful for me. It just depends on, you know, what time of the month I am on whether I want to use one. So this says it cleans your face, but the rose, lavender, and jasmine flowers keep the grease off your face all day. So I may actually, this has witch hazel and aloe vera, so it's supposed to hydrate but clean your skin. I don't know. I may give this to somebody in my family or give this away to somebody who can appreciate this product a little bit better, since I tend to not be a big toner user, but I am actually interested to see what other people think of this. Have you ever heard of this brand? I've never heard of this brand again. But this is a deluxe sample. Alright, next product is one of the full-size products. And this is the Royal Apothic Scrubby Sugar Lip Scrub. Now, I love myself a good lip scrub, and I'm very picky about my lip scrubs. Like, I think the Fizz and Bubble one, I'm not a fan of. It's too drying. But I have other ones. But look at this. It's like a medicinal, but this thing looks all banged up. When I first saw it, I actually looked it over really carefully because I thought, like, is this messed up and punctured somewhere? But it's not. It just looks a little worse for wear. And it has one of those little things here, and it's not open. So I was going to open it here and see what I thought. So it is like that, and yeah, tastes like figs. Ooh, this is interesting. I think I have lipstick on, so I'm not gonna, well, here. Let me take my lipstick off so I can try it a little bit better here. I think this actually might be a product I like. Don't mind me. Take this off. See what I think. So, I know most of these you're supposed to wipe off, but these all have sugar in them, so I'm lazy. I don't tend to wipe them off with a rag. I just tend to lick the sugar. That's not bad. Ooh, I like this. Okay, so this is a full size. This is 0.63 ounces. It tastes really good. Usually you're supposed to wipe these off with a rag. I don't. I usually just lick my lips because it's sugar. It is moisturizing. I'll have to link down below or do a video. My favorite lip scrub actually is a $1 lip scrub that I got from the site Miss A. And it's AOA brand. It's super cheap. It tastes like watermelon. It's awesome. I love it. It's not fancy at all. I like it a little better than this one, but this one's not bad. I will actually use this one. So this is $14 though. It's a lot for a little lip scrub. And the sugar is pretty fine, which is kind of annoying. But it is moisturizing. All right, final product. This is the product I'm most conflicted about. And I'm kind of annoyed, but I'm kind of not annoyed, and I don't know what to think. So this is the Toka Salt Air Cucumber Candle. Now, I love candles. And I have no problem with getting candles in certain things. Like, I get FabFitFun boxes, and I get Cause boxes, and I get lifestyle boxes, and I get all sorts of random stuff in those. But when this is supposed to be a beauty box, it's supposed to be mostly like makeup, skincare, hair care, and I get a candle, I don't know. I just don't know how I feel about that. And it's not even a big full-size candle. It's a little candle. So the full size is 10 ounces, and this little bad boy is only a 1.2 ounce. So it's like they gave us a little tea candle. Now it smells amazing. It smells like cucumber. And it's a cute little candle that you can put by your bathtub. But it's a tiny tea candle. So I don't know. This kind of killed it for me. So a full size of this is $42. This little thing is probably only worth like $4. So I think when I calculated the whole thing total, it was like 50 some odd dollars, which is not a bad deal considering I think this box is like $24 normally. And then if you get it at a discounted rate like I do, I get it for like 19 bucks or something like that. But I don't know. Tell me if I'm wrong, but I kind of felt like this box was a little lackluster. Like, I liked the idea where they were going to pamper yourself and stuff, but I think I would have been more excited had they put in like a bath bomb or like bath salts or something kind of more on that end, or like an eye mask, or, you know, like I just felt like a lot of this was very lackluster. There were a lot of brands that I have just never heard about except for like 2 of them, and their full-size products were kind of a letdown, you know, like, and then even when their deluxe products are usually of like some really expensive product, I don't even feel like they did that this time. Like, I don't know. I don't like being the negative Nelly, because I have had some boxes of this stuff that I've really loved, but I'm honestly thinking that I might cancel this box soon. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Are you, like, I wasn't really impressed with last month. I may give it another month, see what that special box is, and then I may put this on a hold. I don't know. Maybe I'm being too pessimistic, but I'm just kind of, like, I used to love this box, and I just feel like it's kind of been a letdown recently, and there's some other boxes that I kind of want to try instead. So let me know what you think. I think I will try at least one more month. If I'm let down again, I think it'll be time to move on. We'll see. So anyway, what'd you guys think? Did you like it? Let me know in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. please hit the warning bell, and if you like this, give me a big thumbs up. Also, share this video if you want. I love to have more people outreach and see my videos, but as always, thanks you guys.